Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest innovations to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're putting the spotlight on a powerful cleaning tool that promises to redefine your home maintenance routine. The Shark Stratos corded stick vacuum. Known for its robust suction and versatile design, this vacuum has been making waves in the cleaning appliance market. Let's kick things off with the design. The Shark Stratos corded stick vacuum boasts a sleek and modern look, combining dark blue and silver accents that add a touch of elegance to its functionality. It features a modular design, which allows for effortless transitions between cleaning modes. The anti-hair wrap floor head and LED headlights ensure thorough cleaning, even in dimly lit areas. Now, let's delve into the specifications. This vacuum weighs just under 9 pounds and comes with a 30-foot cord, providing ample reach across rooms without the hassle of replugging. The dust canister, though compact, incorporates HEPA filtration and an odor neutralizer cartridge, enhancing air quality while leaving your floors smelling fresh. Moving on to performance, the Shark Stratos doesn't disappoint. It delivers powerful suction on both hard floors and carpets, effectively tackling dust, pet hair, and larger debris with ease. Our tests revealed that it excels in cleaning edges and corners, thanks to its agile maneuverability and dual brush roll system. Plus, the included attachments such as the crevice tool and pet power brush cover a wide range of cleaning scenarios. What about user experience? Well, users have praised its lightweight build and user-friendly controls. However, some found the dust canister a bit tricky to empty efficiently. Despite being corded, its extended reach and versatile functionality make up for the minor inconvenience. So, should you consider buying the Shark Stratos corded stick vacuum? Absolutely. It offers exceptional value for its performance and features, making it a solid choice for households looking to elevate their cleaning game without breaking the bank. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or everyday messes, this vacuum proves its worth time and again. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Shark Stratos corded stick vacuum. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. As always, thank you for watching Product Critique. Until next time, happy cleaning!